Let me show you how an AI chats with your customer. So here I'm going to enter this message that is, hey, I need help. So right here I have provided this message, and as I have provided it, I'm getting this reply. And now here I'm going to enter random question, and we will see whether we get the answer of that question or not. And by looking at this message, you can know that I have created this AI assistant for my digital marketing business. But you can create it according to the business you are running. You just have to make a minute change. And now here I'm going to enter random question regarding this business, and we will see whether we get the answer of that question or not. So right here I'm going to enter this question, that is, how can I improve my website's conversion rate? Now let's wait for the response. And here you can see that I'm getting the answer of my question. And now as a customer, I'm very satisfied with this business because right here I'm getting the answer of my questions instantly. And now let's enter another question and see the working of this AI assistant. And here I have entered this question, that is, what strategy would you suggest for generating more qualified leads? And now here I'm getting all these answers on the basis of my business because I have provided it the knowledge base. So this is the minute change which you have to make for another business. That is, you have to create a knowledge base according to your business, and according to it, your AI assistant will respond to your customers. And here you can see that I'm getting the answer of my question. And right here you can see the brain of the AI assistant consisting all my business details. And here this knowledge base starts with the business overview, which will let my AI understand what my business about is and who my target audience is. And right here I have entered all the services offered by my business. So you just have to change the knowledge base according to your business, and the process of creating the AI assistant will remain the same. So now let's see how to create it by using an automation tool, that is Pabbly chat flow. So now for creating it, you have to move towards the AI assistant page with me. So right here I'm on the AI assistant page of Pabbly chat flow, which you can get by typing its URL over the new tab, that is pabbly.com/chatflow. And once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly, where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging account over the Pabbly chat flow first time, then you can just click over the sign up free. And if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly chat flow, you get 100 free credits every month for practicing and exploring Pabbly chat flow. Means you are getting a chance for testing and creating this automation or this AI for freely inside Pabbly chat flow. But if you are an existing user, then you can just click over the sign in. And if you like this AI assistant and want to create it for your business too, then I have bought this amazing offer for you. So right on the screen you can see this discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use it before buying any of our Pabbly product. Now let's move on towards the AI assistant page, where don't forget to add your WhatsApp number with Pabbly chat flow account. And if you want to learn this entire process, then you can check the video given on the description. And right here we are on this AI instructions tab, where I'm going to select my instruction type as AI agent, but you can select another instruction type as well. And now here we are getting all these instructions which you can modify according to you. Now we are on this AI configuration section, where we have to set the temperature. So temperature here basically shows the creativity of the AI's answer. Here 0 means more focused and 1 means more creative. So as you move towards 0, your answer will be more focused, and if you move towards 1, your answer will be more creative. But I'm going to keep it as 0.5, which is the most suitable temperature. And from here you can select the AI to use and the model of your OpenAI which you want to use. And now here we have to enter the API key so that our OpenAI can respond over the WhatsApp. So for getting this, you have to visit this OpenAI API's key page given over the help text. And here we are on this page where you just have to click over this create new secret key, and here you have to provide the name and the project name and click over this create secret key button, and your API key will be created. But right now I already have my API key which I have entered. Now we just have to click over this connect button, and here you can see that my OpenAI key has been saved successfully. Now we are on this AI assistant settings section, from where you can manage some of your AI assistant settings, such as you can provide the header or the footer message by just enabling these toggles. And the next, we are getting this option for entering the stop keywords. So stop keywords are the words which can stop your AI assistant. So here you can enter the stop keywords. And the next, we are getting this option for retry attempt. So retry attempt basically specifies the number of fallback retry attempt if the AI assistant fails to respond, and the valid range is from 1 to 10. But here I am going to keep it as disable only. And at last, we are getting this option for fallback message. So fallback message is the message which will be displayed when the AI assistant API is not responding correctly. So now here we are done with our AI instructions tab. Now let's manage the knowledge source. So here we have to provide the knowledge base, basically the brain to our AI assistant. And this knowledge base can be only uploaded in .txt or .pdf file format. So here I'm going to just upload it, and right here we are on my media library, where you can see that I'm having some of the knowledge base. So if you want to add a new file, then you just have to click over this add new file button. But right now I already have my knowledge base for the digital marketing agency. So I'm going to select it and insert it. And here it is uploaded successfully, and we are getting the name and the vector ID of the knowledge base which we have just uploaded. Now let's move on towards our assistant interface. So right here we are on this tab where we have to provide the header display heading name. So here I'm going to enter it as Growth Spark, and as I have entered it, you might observe one change, and that too in the preview of your AI assistant as the header display heading name. So you can provide the heading name over here, and the next we are getting this option for entering the header display subheading name, and here we are already getting a subheading name, that is we are online and happy to assist you, which can be seen on the preview of your AI assistant as a subheading. And the next we are getting this option for initial message. So here we are already getting an initial message, that is hi there, how can I help you today, and this can be seen on the preview of your AI assistant as the initial message. So you can provide two initial messages over here. Now we are getting this field for display the powered by Pabbly label, which is enabled. So now let me disable it and see the changes, and right here you can see that the powered by Pabbly label has been disappeared. And now here you can provide the footer text and footer link. And at last we are getting this option for users first message. So this is the message which will be sent to WhatsApp from the user's side. And now let's customize the visual appearance in the styling tab. So here you can select your preferred theme mode, preferred assistant shape, and you can even change the coloring of many properties of your AI assistant. And with this, you can provide the header profile picture, assistant profile picture, and background picture too. So this was the process for creating this AI assistant from scratch. And you have seen that you don't require any coding or technical skills for creating it. Now let's enable it by activating this toggle and save it. And right here my AI assistant has been saved successfully. Now once you have created this AI assistant and wish to embed it to your website, then you just have to click over the submit button. And right here we are getting the script code which you can paste over the code of your website, and this AI assistant will be embedded to your website. So this is the process for creating our AI assistant. Now let me show you one important task, that is enabling AI assistant. So for enabling this AI assistant for your all contacts, you just have to move over the settings where you will see this option of inbox settings which you have to select, and here you have to scroll down, and at last we are getting this option for enable AI auto replies which you have to keep enabled. And from here you can select the contact list or either your all contacts for which you want to enable the AI assistant, and from here you can select the AI assistant which you want to enable. So this was the process for enabling AI assistant for your all contact. Now let me show you how you can do it for a particular chat. So right here I'm on my inbox where I'm going to enable AI assistant for this particular chat. And on the right hand side of this chart we are getting this option for choose AI assistant which you have to select, and from here you can select the AI assistant which you want to enable. So here I have selected the AI assistant which I have just created. So this is the process for enabling AI assistant for your particular chat. And now if this user will message me, the responses will be provided by my AI assistant. So now you have seen how you can create this AI assistant from scratch, which is going to respond to all your customer queries and automate the entire conversation between you and your customers. So now what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly chat flow. And don't forget to use the coupon code STUYT. So thank you for watching this video.
And not only this chatbot, you can build many more amazing chatbots like this by just using Pabbly chat flow. So if you want to learn more about the pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then hit the like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.